Hi guys!
Welcome back to another episode of our mukbang.
Today we're eating chicken. We've got two different types. Over here we have garlic soy chicken and over here we have spicy chili chicken.
Yes, this is from Dae Jang Kum in Sydney, which is one of our favourite fried chicken shops. The fried chicken is so juicy and tender and saucy, so I can't wait.
Even after delivery it's still quite crispy and crunchy. So let's find out if it's still like that today. Okay.
Yum!
I'll start with the more dry chicken. Good flavor.
It's so saucy. And crunchy.
But it's not soggy at all. I don't know how to do it. Most places, the chicken that's drenched in sauce is all soggy, especially after being delivered.
I know.
But this one still has a nice crunch on the outside.
It's so crunchy. Wow, it's so juicy. Wow. It's like dripping.
Yum.
This is so good.
I'm gonna try yours. Oops.
This is actually delicious. It's good,
Nice.
right? It's different from the other Korean spicy chickens I've had.
A lot of them, at least in Sydney, the spicy ones are actually just really sweet gochujang.
Yeah, it's like
I hate those.
so sweet. It's almost like a candy chicken.
This one though is perfect. It's a bit mild though. It's like a slight, I don't know, slight hint of chili.
Can be more spicy for sure for us.
But I'm glad it's not too sweet. Yum. I think the garlic soy is better.
Really? I'll try that one next.
I think they do it better.
The chicken is so good. They're really underrated, I reckon. Thank you. My favourite part, the wing.
I'm gonna grab the drum.
Oh, almost
My
fell.
life flashed before my eyes.
Cheers.
Our favourite pieces.
Our favourite pieces together.
Ready?
Wow.
Isn't this one better?
Yeah. Same level of sweetness, but it sort of has like a garlicky.
It's such a good balance of flavours.
So good. This is delicious. I could eat it with
love chicken.
spicy noodles.
You want spicy noodles every time you eat Korean food.
I do. It's like an addiction.
What's your favourite fried chicken flavour?
Mine's probably like garlic soy.
I thought you liked the snow cheese one.
Not anymore. This one's better. You?
I like a really spicy one. But usually you don't really get spicy ones. Like they don't really serve really spicy ones.
Unless you put like the samyang fried noodle sauce on top of it.
Can try that next time.
So good. Wow. They're seriously underrated. I might like the spicy one a bit more. I'm not sure.
Really? Alright, you can finish the rest of that. I'll finish the rest of the soy.
Thank you very much. Oh, oops.
Oh, it's okay.
This crunchy bit, the skin, is like the best part, I reckon. Listen
It's got
to
all the
this.
flavour. No, I'm good. Fine, give me some.
The spicy one's better.
Let me try.
Or maybe not.
I'm gonna stick to this. What's this?
This one's super meaty. I generally like the ones with more bone, and like the meat around the bone is always so tender and juicy. Whereas the one that has like a lot of white meat, is that how you say white meat?
Lean meat?
Lean meat. It's nice.
Bony chicken's always more juicy. Don't know why.
It's because the fat is near the outer side.
But bone is not fat, right?
True. I don't know what I just said.
I don't know either. Oh, so good. Love some rice with this, or noodles.
Spicy noodle.
Tempting, huh? And chips.
Chips, really?
I'll eat some chips with this.
So for those who are new to our channel,
Wait, swing.
we do a lot of different content on our channel. Because we're based in Sydney in Australia, we try out a lot of different restaurants for you guys so that we can recommend you a lot of our favorite restaurants. So far we've done a lot of videos on like Japanese food,
We love
Korean
Japanese
food. Yeah, Japanese and Korean like up there for us. We've like done Japanese street food tour, done Hong Kong food tour in Sydney.
Yeah. We'll link it below or under.
Yeah, we'll show you guys. But we like to introduce a lot of food in Sydney just because kind of like on the opposite side of the world. Like we're so far away from everything. So we realized there's like a lack of, I guess, information online, especially on YouTube on, you know, food to eat in Sydney. And so like we wanted to create a, like sort of like a one-stop shop for you guys to, you know, to rely on when you guys do come to Sydney. Recently we started doing mukbang. This is our new mukbang setup. And mostly we do like takeout food from Sydney restaurants.
And sometimes we do food challenge videos, like trying out like spicy noodles, etc.
Yeah.
As well as just like trying out the newest instant noodle flavors.
Yeah. We also have a whole series or playlist of literally trying different types of instant noodles. We tried the Shin Ramen, I guess, range. There's like Shin Ramen Black, Shin Ramen Light. What else was there? Shin Ramen Red.
Shin Ramen Kimchi.
Kimchi as well.
Yeah.
We'll link all those videos for you guys below.
Yeah.
But
And sometimes we do like random food items like Big Mac versus Big Jack, which is like Hungry Jack's or Burger King's version of the Big Mac here in Sydney. So we do like, you know, all kinds of food videos, challenges, reviews, tours, everything that's related to food pretty much.
yep.
So yeah, if you guys are interested, please check out our channel, feel free to subscribe and let us know if there's anything that you want us to cover. This looks like a good piece.
Looks like chicken skin.
Yum.
Thank you.
I want a bony piece now.
That crunch.
So good.
Right? It's so delicious.
I know I shouldn't finish all this, but I feel like I could easily finish it.
You shouldn't. I know you guys like watching mukbangs and A lot of mukbangs, people eat so much food. Like, impossibly amount. And so, I don't want us to do that just for the sake of the audience, to be honest. Like, I want us to be real and genuine with you guys, and we're just gonna eat a portion that we like. And join us for dinner, join us when you're getting ready. But we like to be genuine on our channel. Just don't want to eat more than we can, just for the sake of getting views or whatever.
Agreed.
Have you tried chicken and beer? Is it
Chicken and
chimek?
beer. We tried it once together.
We didn't like it.
I liked it. I think I liked makgeolli with chicken better. It's just, I don't know. It's a bit sweet. Because we had the flavored ones, the peach flavored. That was so good.
So good. But it's lower alcohol content, right?
Yeah, I think it's like 4% compared to like 6%. So you can chug more.
True.
Especially when you're eating like spicy and fried salty food. You drink a lot of liquid. Oh yeah. Should have bought some today, damn.
Damn.
Oh well.
Next time.
After this, I'm craving some carbs, so let's make some noodles.
Wanna make a noodle mukbang?
A big portion of noodles, please.
We'll link it up here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what your favorite type of chicken is, and if there's any other suggestion for food items that we can cover.
Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you would like us to try a specific food, comment down below and show us some love and support by subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.